In the early years of our lives we breathe properly. We use our optimal breathing natural method just as our body mostly like. Over the years, our breathing method is impaired, deteriorate, goes bad and according the events we went through during our life. Optimal breathing is a global common form for everyone. So let's see together how to do it right and how useful and important it is. For the next 10 seconds, try not to breath to your chest. Try to stop breathing to your chest. Try to breath to your stomach, like this. Feel the air filling your stomach area.
Come visit us at www.morningboker.org and have a wonderful day.